hot. So yes, first of all, very good. This recipe is sort of partially inspired by the channel Views on the Road. She's so cute, she's so cool. I really appreciate her and her channel. It's sort of like based off of a pozole recipe, but obviously this is not pozole. Basically, I had chickpeas and not enough for like a huge meal on their own, so they had to be supplemented with something. Before all the panic buying started, I got big packs of chicken drumsticks from Costco. The chicken is so tender. And you know, I think what's really amazing about this whole meal is that, you know, there was a bit of prep time, but total time under pressure was 15 minutes, right? So it was 10 minutes for the chickpeas, which are like super soft and mushy, you already saw earlier. And then it was 5 minutes for the chicken. And the meat is like falling off the bone at this point, you know? A lot of people are really scared of having a pressure cooker because they're afraid that it's gonna explode. But nowadays they're engineered with like a pressure release so that if the pressure gets too high, then like, you know, the valve will blow out or the gasket will blow out. Something is gonna blow out first before the pressure cooker just explodes in your kitchen. I was really scared about that when I first started using it, but anyway, all this was to show how you can sort of make a meal come together really quickly. Yesterday I was up till 4 a.m. editing that video, so I was not very like happy to wake up for work today, but that's gonna change. I think I'm gonna try not to do everything in one day. I'll like record today, I'm gonna edit tomorrow, hopefully like put these videos out once every 4 days, because you know, there's nothing else going on. I think that's it. This is really good. You should try making it. Yeah, and I don't know, make it and show me.